Good morning, students. In the previous class, that is class 5 of the chapter nitrogen containing compound, that is amine, we covered. The last one is distinction between primary, secondary, tertiary. So many are there. That is a carbyl-amine reaction for primary amine. Action with Hinsberg reagent, that is for primary amine. Then action with nitrous acid, the different steps are there, primary, secondary, tertiary amine. Another one is there, that is Lieberman nitrosulfate for tertiary amine. And another is there, that is azodide test. It is specific for aromatic primary amine. Azodide test. I will repeat again, mark that. That is known as azodide test. What is this one? That means when aromatic primary amine, that is aniline, treated with benzene diazonium chloride at ice cold temperature in acidic medium, then what happens? Color, that means yellow color dye is formed. Then it is indicated that it is aromatic amine. Aliphatic amine not respond to this one. In this way, it is important one to identify 1 degree aromatic amine. Mark the equation. That means benzene diazonium chloride treated with aniline at ice cold temperature in acidic medium, pH that is 4 to 5, pH is equal to at ice cold temperature. Mark that. Here H is there, HCl and byproduct HCl. What is the product? N double bond N, that is NH2, that is a P amino azobenzene, that is yellow dye. So it is an important one. Its name is benzene diazonium chloride. Its name is aniline. That's why it is an important one to identify specifically aromatic primary amine. So it is all about the chapter part 1 of nitrogen containing compound, that is amine. Next, today in class 6 we discuss about part 2, that is diazonium salt. Mark that. Next part of this nitrogen containing compound chapter is diazonium salt. Diazonium salt. Introduction. Arene diazonium salt. Arene diazonium salt are represented by the formula Ar(N2)X-. It is the general representation of arene diazonium salt, where Ar group is known as aryl group and X- is maybe the common anion like Cl-, Br-, HSO4-, etc. These compounds are named by adding the suffix diazonium. These compounds are named by adding the suffix diazonium to the parent aromatic hydrocarbon from which it is derived, followed by the addition of the halide. For example, mark that N2Cl. Mark that. So it is known as benzene diazonium chloride. I repeat again. These arene diazonium salt are named by adding the suffix diazonium to the parent aromatic hydrocarbon from which it is derived, followed by the anion, that is benzene diazonium chloride. Another example, N2BF4, that is benzene diazonium fluoroborate. These are some examples of the diazonium salt. And how it is named? By adding the suffix diazonium to the parent hydrocarbon, aromatic hydrocarbon from which it is represented followed by the anion. Here, this N2 plus either N or we can write N2 plus, this is known as diazonium. It is a little idea, introduction about the arene diazonium salt. Next, we switch over to method of preparation. Next, we discuss method of preparation of diazonium salt. It is already over in part 1 of the chapter amine, that means known as diazotization. The method of preparation of benzene diazonium chloride from aniline by react with nitrous acid at ice cold temperature is known as diazotization. Mark that. Method of preparation. Method of preparation, that is known as diazotization. I repeat again. What do you mean by diazotization? The process in which benzene diazonium chloride is prepared from aniline by react with nitrous acid at ice cold temperature. Mark that, the equation. Aniline reacts with nitrous acid at ice cold temperature. Nitrous acid, whenever necessary, we prepare, freshly prepared by taking the mixture of sodium nitrite and concentrated hydrochloric acid, as a result of which the byproduct is NaCl, the main product is HNO2. So symbolic representation of nitrous acid is equivalent to sodium nitrite plus hydrochloric acid. So mark that, what happens when it react, when the nucleus, mark that, one nitrogen, two nitrogen, one chlorine, that is N2Cl, mark that. Next, one Na, one Cl, that is NaCl, plus 2H, 4H, 2O, that is 2H2O. It is benzene diazonium chloride, or symbolically it is represented as BDC. I repeat again, the process of formation of benzene diazonium chloride from aniline by reaction with nitrous acid at ice cold temperature is known as diazotization. It is the method of preparation of diazonium salt. Next, we move to chemical property, or that is synthetic application. Next, switch over to chemical properties of diazonium salt, or otherwise it is known as synthetic application. First one is synthetic application. Under this one, first one is synthesis of benzene. It is formed by replacement of diazonium group by hydrogen atom. Mark that. That means from benzene diazonium chloride, the diazonium chloride part is replaced by hydrogen. Mark that. When benzene diazonium chloride treated with hypophosphorus acid in aqueous solution in presence of cuprous salt, mark that. Its name is benzene diazonium chloride. Its name is hypophosphorus acid. What happened? This group replaced, mark that, this bond break, this bond break, this bond break, this bond break. It is C6H5 plus H. It is known as benzene. So this H replaces this group. Then this part is known as nitrogen. Next, this H, another H combined with Cl to form HCl. Rest O add here to form H3PO3 phosphorus acid. So what is the statement? When benzene diazoam chloride solution reacts with hypophosphorus acid in presence of cuprous ion or copper salt, then benzene is formed. It is a method of preparation of synthetic synthesis of benzene. That means under the replacement of hydrogen atom. Another process also there. Mark that. When benzene diazoam chloride treated with ethyl alcohol, mark that. Ethyl alcohol, what happened? Here again this part break. 1H comes here to form benzene plus N2. Remaining is CH3, CHO. Another part is CH3, CHO. Its name is benzene. Its name is benzene diazoam chloride. So benzene also synthesized from benzene diazoam chloride when treated with ethyl alcohol. It is the first chemical property, that is synthesis of benzene by the replacement of hydrogen atom. Next chemical property, that is synthesis of chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and cyanobenzene. Mark that. Second one is synthesis of chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and cyanobenzene. That means benzene diazoam chloride is replaced by BDC. Diazoam chloride is replaced by Cl or Br or Cl group. Mark that. That means here mark that. When benzene diazoam chloride treated with cuprous chloride in presence of hydrogen chloride or cuprous bromide in presence of hydrogen bromide and cuprous cyanide in presence of potassium cyanide. Mark that. Its name is benzene diazoam chloride. So this group replaced by the Cl, replaced by Cl here to form chlorobenzene. Then the bond break here, plus N2. Here this group replaced by bromine to form plus N2. Here this group replaced by cyanide plus N2. Mark that. Its name is chlorobenzene. Its name is bromobenzene. Its name is cyanobenzene or phenyl cyanide or benzonitrile. So in this process, what happened? Benzene diazoam chloride transferred to chlorobenzene or bromobenzene or cyanobenzene. It is a scientific name reaction, and this is known as Sand-Meyer reaction. Sand-Meyer reaction. The important one for exam point of view. Mark that. What is the statement? When benzene diazoam chloride treated with cuprous chloride in presence of HCl or cuprous bromide in presence of HBr, chlorobenzene and bromobenzene is formed. Similarly, when benzene diazoam chloride treated with cuprous cyanide in presence of potassium cyanide, then cyanobenzene is formed. This reaction is known as Sand-Meyer's reaction. So this chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, cyanobenzene may also be synthesized in another way. Mark that. by heating copper salt in presence of HCl, copper salt in presence of HBr, and copper salt in presence of KCN. Mark that. On the other hand, when benzene diazoxide chloride treated with hydrogen chloride in presence of copper powder, hydrogen bromide in presence of copper powder, and potassium cyanide in presence of copper powder, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, and cyanobenzene or phenyl cyanide or benzonitrile is formed. This reaction is known as modified Sandmeyer reaction or Gutterman reaction. This is known as modified Sandmeyer reaction. This is BTC. That is known as modified Sandmeyer reaction. Modified Sandmeyer reaction or Gutterman reaction. Mark that. If we select cuprous chloride in presence of HCl, cuprous bromide in presence of HBr, then it is known as Sandmeyer reaction. If we go through only copper powder in presence of copper salt, only copper powder, then it is known as modified Sandmeyer reaction or Gutterman reaction. It is the synthesis of chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, and cyanobenzene. Next we move to synthesis of iodobenzene. Next chemical property, next synthetic application is synthesis of iodobenzene. That is, it is by replacement by iodide ion. Mark that. When benzene diazoxide chloride heated with potassium iodide, when benzene diazoxide chloride heated with potassium iodide, mark that, same bond break, this bond break. This K combines Cl, this I group transfer to here to form iodobenzene plus N2 plus KCl. It is known as iodobenzene. So what is the statement? When benzene diazoxide chloride heated with the potassium iodide, iodobenzene is formed. It is the synthesis of iodobenzene. So we covered synthesis of chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. Next one is synthesis of fluorobenzene. Mark that. Next one is next chemical property is synthesis of fluorobenzene. That means it is replacement by fluoride ion. Mark that. When benzene diazoxide chloride salt solution, heated with fluoroboric acid, its name is benzene diazoxide chloride. Its name is fluoroboric acid. When benzene diazoxide chloride heated with fluoroboric acid, benzene diazonium fluoroborate is precipitated. Benzene diazonium fluoroborate is precipitated, which is filtered, separated, dried, and a heating fluorobenzene is formed. Mark that. When it reacts with 1H combined Cl byproduct HCl to form N2BF4. Its name is benzene diazonium fluoroborate. The precipitate. This precipitate is filtered, dried, and upon heating, what happens? This bond break. One fluorine one fluorine atom transfer to here, plus N2 plus BF3, it is known as fluorobenzene. So first what happened? Benzene diazomium chloride heated with the fluoroboric acid to form a precipitate known as benzene diazonium fluoroborate, which is separated, filtered, dried upon heating to form fluorobenzene. It is a scientific name reaction and its name is Boltzmann reaction. It is an important reaction for scientific name reaction. So mark that. Boltzmann reaction is the process of formation of fluorobenzene from benzene diazonium chloride. So we covered synthesis of chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, fluorobenzene, iodobenzene. Next we switch over to synthesis of nitrobenzene. Next one is synthesis of nitrobenzene. Next one, synthesis of nitrobenzene. That means replacement by nitro group, NO2 nitro group. So what is the statement? When benzene diazonium chloride salt solution treated with fluoroboric acid, what happened? When benzene diazonium chloride treated with fluoroboric acid, what happened? That is benzene diazonium fluoroborate is formed. Benzene diazonium fluoroborate is formed, which heated with sodium nitrite, Mark that. This bond break. This NO2 group transfer to here to form nitrobenzene plus N2 plus sodium borate NaBF4. Mark that. I repeat again. When benzene diazonium chloride heated with the fluoroboric acid, benzene diazonium fluoroborate is formed, which again heated with the sodium nitrite to form nitrobenzene. It is the preparation of nitrobenzene. So chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, nitrobenzene, then fluorobenzene. Next, synthesis of phenol. Next chemical property is synthesis of phenol. Next chemical property is synthesis of phenol. That means by replacement of OH group, hydroxyl group. Mark that. When benzene diazonium chloride undergoes hydrolysis, mark that, this bond break, OH part transfer to here to form phenol plus N2 plus HCl. Its name is phenol. So when benzene diazonium chloride undergoes hydrolysis, phenol is formed. That means diazo group replaced by hydroxyl part. Next we go to last one is coupling reaction. Under the heading of synthetic application, last one is coupling reaction. In part 1 of this chapter, that is in amine, we discussed this one about the coupling reaction. What is coupling reaction? Last one is coupling reaction. That means formation of azodide. The important one. What happened? The process. What is coupling reaction? The benzene diazonium chloride, when reacts with highly active species, that is a phenol, and aniline in ice cold temperature, resulting the formation of colored substance, that is a dye. Colored dye is formed. This process of formation of colored dye from benzene diazoxide chloride is known as coupling reaction. So under this heading, we discuss two examples. One is action with phenol, that is formation of yellow dye. Mark that. When benzene diazoxide chloride reacts with the phenol in alkaline medium, that is pH is equal to 9 to 10 at ice cold temperature. Its name is benzene diazoxide chloride. Its name is phenol. When benzene diazoxide chloride reacts with the phenol in slightly alkaline medium at ice cold temperature, mark that, here H is there, this is Cl combined with H, byproduct is Cl. So what is the product? N double bond N. Mark that. Its name is dye is so powerful, it is powerless. So it is a suffix, it is a prefix. That is a p hydroxy azobenzene. P hydroxy azobenzene, that is yellow dye. Mark that. So when benzene diazoxide chloride treated with phenol at ice cold temperature in slightly alkaline medium, yellow dye is known as p hydroxy azobenzene. Another example is action with aniline. Next one is under this heading of coupling reaction, action with aniline. That means formation of orange dye. Mark that. What is the statement? Similar statement. When benzene diazoxide chloride treated with aniline in slightly acidic medium at ice cold temperature, that means p-amino azobenzene, that is orange dye. It is also important to discuss in previous chapter. It is also important test to identify primary aromatic amine, that is aniline from other amine. Mark that. When benzene diazoxide chloride treated with aniline, it is aniline, it is benzene diazoxide chloride in slightly acidic medium, that is pH 4 to 5 at ice cold temperature. Mark that, here H combined with minus HCl. What is the product? N double bond N, NH2. That is p-amino azobenzene. P-amino azobenzene, that is orange dye. I repeat again. When benzene diazoxide chloride reacts with aniline at ice cold temperature, that is 0 to 5 degrees centigrade, in slightly acidic medium, that is pH is equal to 4 to 5, what happens? P-amino azobenzene, that is orange dye is formed. The process of formation of this azo dye from benzene diazoxide chloride at ice cold temperature is known as coupling reaction. I repeat again. This reaction also an important reaction for the distinction between aromatic amine, that is aniline, for other amine. So in this type of reaction, it is an example of electrophilic substitution reaction. where electrophile is azonium, that means N2 plus positive charge containing over nitrogen is behave as an electrophile. So it is all about the chapter diazonium salt. Next class we continue about the numerical part.